Welcome to Psykindle, enabling you with a better memory and concentration. In this video, we are going to share 16 tips to boost your memory and concentration. Tip number 1. Exercise your brain. Your body needs to exercise regularly to stay fit. Similarly, your brain needs exercise too. Play brain games like crosswords, Sudoku, word recall, etc., which sets your brain machinery rolling. They stimulate the brain and boost your memory effectively in a fun and creative manner. Number 2. Exercise your body. Regular exercise is extremely important for your physical and mental well-being. Without exercise, the body is like a stone that is gathering mold, and the efforts are similar on your brain. Exercising improves the growth and development of neurons, which aids in brain development and memory. Number 3. Eat for your brain. Regularly consume foods that are rich in nutrients like zinc, iodine, B vitamin, omega-3 acids. Foods like meat, fish, legumes, leafy greens, turkey, yogurt, tuna, eggs, cod liver oil are all rich sources of nutrients that enhance brain power and functioning. Also have a healthy and hearty breakfast as it improves short-term memory and attention. Number 4. Understanding is a super glue. For any piece of knowledge, understanding the key idea is crucial to fit it in the big picture context. It's like making the sense of different pieces of a jigsaw puzzle to relate them to reach the solution. Additionally, understanding helps you to hold the underlying memory traces together, and therefore understanding is a super glue. Number 5. Read, repeat and recall. Whenever people walk repeatedly on the same ground, it gradually forms a new path. Similarly, when you learn and repeat any new information, it gradually recorded and retained for a longer period in the brain. Repetition enhances memory performance. Also read out loud the study material to store them for the longer term. And finally, by recalling you can reduce the chances of forgetting, as forgetting is a retrieval problem. Number 6. Passive to active. No matter whatever you are learning, it should be active to make the material stick properly. It protects you from the illusion of mastery. Passive learning is boring, unproductive, and it produces very little result if any. Active learning is not possible all the time, but you should develop a mindset for active learning, as it's an elevator for quick and permanent learning. Number 7. Visualize. Observe closely your graphics, images, maps, etc. in your books and visualize them. Use different color pens and highlighters for important notes. If there is an important historical event, geographical location, or biological diagram, visualize them to remember better. This will act as cues and help in recalling information. Number 8. Create chunks of information. Chunking, in simple terms, is dividing information into small groups or collecting individual information pieces and grouping them into the larger chunks. One of the most common example of chunking is grouping a 10-digit phone number into the chunks of 3. Chunking makes it easier for the brain to retain and recall information. Try chunking next time when remembering vocabulary or numbers, music notes, similar concepts and terms, etc. Number 9. Make use of mnemonics. Mnemonics is another word for memory tools and can be in the form of acronym, abbreviation, rhythm and rhymes. These are the techniques for reorganizing, storing and retrieving information when needed. For example, BODMAS for bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, or counting months with 31 days on your knuckles. Tip number 10. Build a memory palace. A memory palace is an imaginary location in your mind where you can store mnemonic images. The basic idea behind the technique is to associate pieces of information with a familiar location, like your bedroom or your home. Try building a memory palace when learning a new language, numbers, faces, etc. 11. Chew gum. Studies have found that chewing gum while studying aids in boosting memory and focus. Psychologists from UK found that people who chewed throughout both long-term and short-term memory tests produce significantly better scores than people who did not. So give it a try next time you sit down to study. Number 12. Change your study environment. Occasionally, change your study routine or environment. This will improve your memory recall. If you usually study in one room, try moving to another room for your next study session. Try giving names or visualize your study locations and associate information with them. This way, you will recall faster what you studied. 13. Teach. Imagine a samurai who not only observes but constantly practices everything he learns till it gets ingrained in his system. Similarly, practicing what you learn is equally important, and teaching someone is one of the best ways to learn. When you teach someone, not only the other person learns, but you also remember it correctly. 14. Play music. Tune up music when studying, and by music we mean not just any pop music or heavy metal. Listen to the music that aids in focus and memory. There are numerous music pieces available on YouTube and other music apps that aid in learning. You can listen to classical music like Mozart or Beethoven for brain power. 15. Meditate. Make meditation a part of your daily routine. Even 10 minutes spent meditating daily is extremely beneficial for the brain. Meditation calms your brain and mind, slows down breathing, and reduces stress and anxiety. Further, meditation is proven to improve memory, increase concentration, and ability to process information. 16. Get proper sleep. A full and proper sleep is essential for optimal brain health and functioning. Psychological studies suggest that sleep facilitates memory retention. Lack of sleep impedes focus and can make the brain foggy. So set a proper sleep schedule and stick to it. There are numerous apps available that help in tracking the sleep cycle. These are the 16 tips to transform the way you concentrate, memorize, and learn. Let's know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Psychandal.